So today I'm going to share with you my 2-minute most realistic makeup routine. So let's go. First up, I like to take the NARS concealer, okay, and just take my fingers and apply it under my eyes like that. Okay, blend, 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 blend. You don't even need a brush for this. Your fingers work the best. Can you see how instantly it made a difference? Next, I'm taking my eyebrow pencil and I'm going to roughly do my eyebrows. Usually I like to apply a mascara, but my eyes are really sensitive these days, so I'm going to skip out the mascara. But the mascara I use is by MAC. This is my go-to. Next, I'm going to take my lip liner and outline my lips. I like to fill in my lips a little to give it that ombre effect. Something like this. Then I like to take a lipstick and top it off. Like just in the center. And just, well, that's it. This is what I like to do. And just to elevate it a little further, I'm going to pinch my cheeks. And there you have natural flush of color on your cheeks. This is my realistic 2-minute makeup. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next one.